This is how I make a vegan stir-fried noodles. I start by dicing some carrots, and then cabbage, some white onion, and then marinating my firm tofu. For the marinade, I use some barbecue seasoning as well as some barbecue sauce and a drizzle of sriracha. Gave it a light dusting of cornstarch and then shallow fried them until the pieces turned golden brown and sticky. Next, I made the stir-fry sauce, the only concoction that's known to me, which is gochujang, soy sauce, Chinese 5-spice powder, sriracha, a splash of rice vinegar, and some maple syrup. Next, I stir-fried the vegetables with some ground black pepper, added the tofu and the sauce, and then some green onions, Korean chili powder, and brought everything to a simmer. Then poured everything on my favorite noodles.